How to use filters in Excel. This tutorial video will show you some of the benefits to use filters to find needed information. Filters are used to visualize the list of items that create the total in question. To create a filter, go to Data and click the filter icon. The filter will automatically be placed on the first line of the report. If the title line was not the first one and the filter was not added to this line, you may select the line with the titles and then click the filter icon. Note that each column has a filter icon next to it. Filters can be used to sort by date, ascendant. Also sort descendant. You can also filter a specific item. Let's say you want to filter by city. On category, you can filter by office supplies to be able to see the list of sales in that same city. This will give you an idea of the power of filtering. If you like this video, click thumbs up. Also, comment and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for subscribing and hit the notification bell. Goodbye.